Hey everybody, how you guys doing? All right. Still got a few days to go before I am done my dry February. I'm really enjoying it, really liking it, and it's gotten very easy. In all honesty, I've got a lot of things on the go. There's one thing that I have done that I haven't been able to show a lot of people. Why I do this is for the people that I've lost due to cancer, the people that I know that have fought cancer, the ones that are fighting cancer right now. One thing you don't see over here, and if you see in my videos, there is a moose, a squirrel, and that was my dad's. That was his Rocky and Bullwinkle. Behind me on my glasses case, there's a picture of one of my good friends, Cheryl, who passed away due to stage 4 breast cancer. I have memorabilia around that has different things that remind me that cancer is an ugly thing. And that helped me fight the good fight. Megadeth, right there. Dave Mustaine just battled cancer and survived. Like, no matter what, it's all around us. So that's why I'm doing the dry February. But for now, I'm also doing something else. I am also doing basically an unboxing and an unbagging. Because when March 1st rolls around, I am no longer having to deal with a dry February. So what do I have in the box and in the bag? We're going to start with the bag first because it's easier. I've got a knife here for the box. It's going to be a little bit of a longer one. So I helped out with a crowdfunding for Blindman Brewery a couple of years ago now. And they just got their second bottle out. It is not out to the public yet. It'll be out in a couple of weeks. It is Turn 1 of Jean, or Jean, and it's a photo-aged Trappist single, coming at 4.4% alcohol by volume. Looking forward to this one. Really am looking forward to this one because this one I have been waiting for. And then they said, you know, you get a barrel-aged bottle as well of something of your choice. So I chose the Belgian Dark Strong aged in port barrels. Not a real big wine fan, but coming at 9.7%, this is going to be a beast of a beer. And I'm looking forward to reviewing that. I'm going to be reviewing this one soon so that I actually get the jump on a lot of other people because this one is, as I said, not available to the public. And then I turned around and dropped $15, and I'm not dropping that bottle because that would suck. And I got the Raspberry and Strawberry Fruited Saison, coming at 4.2%, excuse me, alcohol by volume, and it's from 2019. So I've got these beers that I'll be reviewing, and I'm actually looking forward to reviewing these ones. So we're going to get these out of the way, and I'm going to show you exactly what I have in this box. Okay, so move this out of the way. No need for that anymore. I don't know which side is up because he's got fragile upside down, fragile right side up. Granted, this is where my name Pam is now. Yes, I'm Pam. So this goes out to K-Ray Makunin. Hakuna Matata to you, sir. I sent him a Beermail last year, and he finally had a chance to be able to afford to send a Beermail back, so he did just that. And I kind of am curious of what is in here because I know that he's got some stuff that he said I would like, and then he said that he's got some other stuff that I would like, and then he said that he actually had to take some stuff out of there and drink them because They were in his fridge too long and he really wanted to drink them. Which is fair. I drank a couple of his that I've sent off to him on him, but he doesn't know that till now. So, let's have a peek. Let's see what we got, shall we? Apparently he's also sending more off. I'll put this down here. And we'll have a look. Very interesting, unique crafting. I've got a lot of... Uh-oh. That smells like something spilt. Maybe. All right, well, let's get started and see if we find anything that is spilt or exploded or anything else like that. First and foremost, sent a couple of these out to some people and I kind of actually wanted to see what this is about. From New Ontario, out of North Bay, Ontario, if I remember, yep, North Bay, Ontario, we have the Razzle Dazzle Baby, and it's a raspberry IPA. All right, we're off to a good start. Ooh, that feels sticky and explodey. Found it. One beer down. Yeah, that's definitely one beer down. Yeah, I'm missing some of there. Okay, so this one leaked a little bit, unfortunately. And this is from New Ontario, and it's Big and Beautiful Juicy IPA. Unfortunately, it leaked, so that one, it's not gonna last. I'll be lucky if I get anything out of that. All right, let's see what we have next. This is why you wrap them in like bags and stuff. Next up, we have from Gateway City. It is Clock Avenue Brown Ale, coming at 6.5 ABV. And that's from North Bay, Ontario as well. Huh, I do like the label on there. That's actually something that I would actually look at getting. Even though it is a brown ale and it kind of sounds bland, I'd actually look at getting it. All right, from there, we have sounds like something's dripping, but I don't think it is. Ah, yeah, I smell stale beer all throughout this. From one of his favorite breweries, Highlander Brew, we have the Amabel de Fond, and it is a Marzen lager coming at 4.2% alcohol by volume. Now, I do like Highlander Brewing stuff, and I've had their stuff before. I'm looking forward to that one, actually. All right, and yeah, that got a little wet from this other one. Next up, from Gateway Brewery, wow, we have 1229 Doppelbock, and that has a cool label on it as well. And again, I'm kind of looking forward to that, seeing what we have in there. It's kind of cool. All right. Next up, oh my goodness. Stale beer, the smell of stale beer. That's okay though. We have from New Ontario, it is the Raspberry Revolution. It is a raspberry chocolate stout coming in at 6.7% alcohol by volume. Again, good label. Looking forward to seeing what this would be all about. Yeah, I'm actually liking these. These look really, really inviting. From there, oh, he did tell me he put this in here, and And I'm actually kind of curious to see what this would be like. We have the Prodomus, 10.5% alcohol by volume, and it's a graham cracker chocolate chunk caramel bark stout from Omnipolo. Now this isn't the regular Omnipolo from Europe that I can get. This is actually the Ontario version of Omnipolo. Kind of curious to see how it is different from the actual Omnipolo from Stockholm, Sweden. So I'm really, again, I'm curious seeing what that's all about. All right. And we have another wet bag. I think there's only one that, yeah, because I think it's, yeah, that one's the one that exploded. Leaked out a bit. I don't know where it's leaking from though, because it stopped leaking for some strange reason. So I'm not sure. I guess it may have expanded and then went back again. There might be something underneath. Anyways, I've had this one before and it's always a nice one to have. I did a review on it, but I screwed up my coloring on it. So I have to redo the review. I'm kind of glad for this because this is the Highlander Brew Wee Heavy Scottish Style Ale. I had this out of a bottle before, so it's kind of interesting to see what it will be like out of a can. And I got my rattles, which is awesome. Next up, thank you. So I'm a huge fan of this brewery and I've been wanting to see what this is about because I've been seeing people brew it or drink it, review it, and I've wanted to review this one. And this is one of them I've wanted to review. And this is from Sawdust City and it's the Blood of Cthulhu. It's an imperial stout with cherries, raspberries, and cranberries. So it's gonna be sweet and bitter at the same time, I'm figuring. Coming in at 9.5% alcohol by volume. Sweet deal. But last, but not certainly not least, oh, maybe this is the one that exploded because it's really wet. I hope not, because that would suck. We have got the Imperial Porter from Collective Arts, and it's a bourbon barrel aged with an art print inside. And it's wet. And it's really wet. Oh, Carrie, this is not looking good, man. And it's not wanting to come apart. Okay, I really gotta have a look here and see if this is... I'm not seeing any leakage coming out, so that's a good sign. But that is like monsterly wet. This is the hard part about shipping things. Yeah, see that's just... Please, well, it looks like a full bottle. I do not see any issues with this at all, except the artwork is soaked. There's a little bit of wetness in there, probably condensation, but that's all right. There's the artwork right there. I'll try and see if I can dry that out. But the bottle seems to be okay, but I think it got saturated with this beer here, because that seems like that's the one that leaked, because all these other ones feel full. This one feels not quite as full. Oh boy. Okay, well, that is what I've got right there. That is what I had sent to me, and that is actually really awesome. 8, 9, 10. I'll call this 9.5. But that's really cool. I really do enjoy this. Thank you very much for sending this. This is really awesome. Hopefully you enjoy your beer mail that came to you, and hopefully it came in one piece and didn't do what this one did. Really hoping it didn't. Anyways, till next time, folks, I am PK, and this has been a nice little unboxing and bagging. I've gone on for 16 minutes. Time to get going and go from there. We'll talk to you real soon. Thanks again. You guys have yourselves a wonderful night.